As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two infrared grills, the Bighorn Outdoors and the Char-Broil Performance Series, both propane, but they seem pretty different. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely different vibes. The Bighorn is like a tabletop steak searing machine, right? It hits 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. The Char-Broil seems more like a standard all-around grill.
Exactly. The Bighorn boasts 19,000 BTUs for that intense heat, while the Char-Broil is at 18,000 BTUs, which is still decent, but not in the same league. And the Bighorn has a smaller cooking area, 143 square inches, versus Char-Broil's 405.
So Bighorn for searing, Char-Broil for a family barbecue. Makes sense. What about size?
The Bighorn is much smaller, described as portable, and it weighs about 31 pounds. The Char-Broil is a full-size grill, weighs 64 pounds, and has those fold-down side shelves.
Ah, the shelves are a nice touch. The Char-Broil also has a cabinet for the propane tank, which is convenient. Does the Bighorn have any storage?
Nope, it's just the grill. But it does have that tin-tier rack system, making it versatile for different foods and sizes. The Char-Broil just has one rack and a warming rack.
Okay, so Bighorn is simpler, focused on high-heat searing and smaller portions, while the Char-Broil is more of a traditional grill with more space and features. What about materials?
Both are stainless steel, but the Char-Broil has painted steel on the cabinet and a polished finish on the Bighorn. And the Char-Broil has porcelain-coated steel grates, which are easier to clean.
Good point about the cleaning. And the Bighorn is pricier at $199.99, even with a discount, compared to the Char-Broil at $399.99.
Actually, looking at the info I have, the Bighorn is cheaper. Char-Broil is $399.99.
Oh, you are right. My bad. Still, the Char-Broil seems like a better value for an all-purpose grill.
I think it boils down to what you want to cook. Steaks? Bighorn. Burgers and everything else? Char-Broil.
Yeah, that's a good summary. I guess it depends on whether you're a steak aficionado or a general grill master.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.